Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you the top ad blockers and anti-tracking extensions for Google Chrome. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser, select your profile, then type Web Store, and give it a search. Now you can see Google Web Store. Open it. Now on the number one list, we have uBlock Origin. So type uBlock. You can see uBlock. Now, I will tell you why it is the best ad blocker. It is ultimate ad blocker for block all type of ads such as YouTube pop-up banners. It speeds up browsing by blocking unwanted scripts. Highly customizable. You can allow list as well as block specific elements. This is my go-to ad blocker for adding it to Chrome. Just go to add to Chrome and it will uh, it will get added to your Chrome extension. Now, moving to our second type AdGuard. You can see AdGuard ad blocker. It is best for blocking ad trackers as well as from phishing sites. It allows custom filters such as block specific element on a page. Works well with YouTube and Facebook ads. So for adding it, just tap on Add to Chrome. Now moving to our third is Ghostery. Type Ghostery. As you can see here, Ghostery. Open it. It blocks ads and trackers at the same time, shows a list of trackers on each site, has a privacy-friendly search engine. It is one of the best on Google Chrome browser. So just click on Add to Chrome and it will get added your Chrome extension. Now, for best anti-tracking extension, type Privacy Badger. Privacy Badger. It learns which trackers to block over time, works without needing custom settings. Now, made by the Electronic Frontier Foundation, we know it's a great company. This is a great if you want an easy automatic solution to stop trackers. Now, last not the least, it is DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials. As you can see on the screen, it blocks hidden trackers as well as fingerprinting. It also upgrades Instagram's websites to HTTPS and use DuckDuckGo search for private browsing. For adding it to Chrome, just click on Add to Chrome and it will get added in your Chrome extension. And that's it, guys. Now you know the best Chrome extension from blocking ads and trackers. Which one is your favorite? And subscribe my channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.